Hello, and welcome to 1 hour to a complete LinkedIn profile that gets the job done. I'm Sam Mammoser, part of Dempsey Mammoser Marketing. In this class, I will educate you on how to use LinkedIn to get a new job, stand out in your field, and/or land a freelance opportunity. Lessons will go over how to build your profile, to creating great first impressions with a killer headshot and an explanation of your skills. We will talk about the visual elements of your page, along with creating an awesome headline and a summary that helps you land your job. The class is for anyone who is starting on LinkedIn or looking to make the most out of the platform. As I said, my name is Sam Mammoser, and my first name does have 2 M's. It is not a typo. Just some background on myself. I'm a digital marketer living in Denver, Colorado, and I'm originally from the Chicagoland area. In those pictures, you see my cute little family, and I know what you're thinking. He is the most adorable dog. LinkedIn is my newest obsession, and I want to help you make the most out of your page. So here's the class outline. We'll talk about getting started on the platform, building your profile, getting a good headshot and cover image and what works best for you and your personal brand, developing a headline that'll help you stand out and give that 3-second pitch so people know what you're about. We'll work on writing a summary, and we'll talk about final touches. If at any point, please feel free to pause the class to edit your personal LinkedIn page or take notes. Let's get started.